Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Activity, sound blending, IP words, my superstars. Today we're going to learn IP words using sound blending. Let's blend the beginning sound with IP and make some fun new words. First one, L plus IP equals lip. Say it with me, LIP lip. Your lips help you talk and smile. Next is B plus IP equals bip. BIP bip. Bip is a silly sound, just like a horn goes bip bip. Now try this one. S plus IP equals sip. SIP sip. When you're thirsty, take a sip of water. Now look at this. Z plus IP equals zip. ZIP zip. We zip our bags and jackets. Let's move on to T plus IP equals tip. TIP tip. The tip of a pen helps us write neatly. And the last one is D plus IP equals dip. DIP dip. Yummy. Dip your snack into some tasty sauce. Woohoo! You did a fantastic job learning IP words today. Let's say them all one more time. Lip, bip, sip, zip, tip, dip. Great job, little learners. Keep practicing, and you'll be a word wizard in no time. Next time, we'll discover another fun activity. See you soon. Bye-bye.